Hi, this topical talk's gonna show you how to join Roblox emergency response Discord server. First of all, log into your Discord and click on this plus icon and click on join a server. In this invite link box, type discord.gg / lower y, capital Z, lower f, capital A, lower k, 6 and lower c, and click on join server. And this will take into this window. Here you have to click on want to verify your account. And now click on complete. And scroll down all the way to the bottom. Check I have read and agree to this rule. And submit. And here you have to verify using your Roblox account. All you have to do is just click on get started. Once you verified, you will be able to use the server. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.